Robinhood Markets caught the crypto market watchers' attention when it was revealed as the owner of the third-largest Bitcoin wallet, with 118,300 Bitcoins worth $3 billion, only lagging behind crypto exchanges Binance and Bitfinex, leading to a 10.3% surge in Hood stock. Aside from crypto, Robinhood has many future plans, such as expansion into Europe and product expansion. These catalysts have raised the question, will this growth persist, or is it just a short-term thing? In this video, we will discuss how Hood stock is surging right now, and then the factors that stock investors should look out for in 2024. Welcome back to PST Markets. Robinhood Markets is a financial services company that pioneered the concept of zero-commission trading upon its 2015 launch and now has a market cap of $8.26 billion. Very recently, Robinhood made headlines when its stock went up by 10.3%, outpacing the performance of the S&P 500 index, which fell 2.60 points. This growth isn't attributed to the equity and options contract trading volumes, which were mostly flat. In fact, the main reason behind this surge is the growth in crypto trading on the Robinhood platform. In November, Robinhood reported a 75% month-on-month increase in crypto trading volume. This jump was like a turnaround point for Robinhood, which had previously reported a 55% decrease in cryptocurrency volumes over the year in its Q3 results. Additionally, Robinhood saw a dunk in its third quarter total revenue, which decreased to $467.0 million from the second quarter's $486.0 million. It also saw a decline in transaction-based revenue, earning $185 million, while its monthly active users decreased by 16% to 10.3 million compared to the previous year. So what changed in the crypto world that caused Robinhood to go from a 55% decrease to a 75% surge in trading? The crypto market is witnessing its best performance since May 2022, with the two biggest cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, surpassing $41,000 and $2,200, respectively. The latest surge has taken the total crypto market cap to a new 2023 high of $1.54 trillion. There are many reasons behind the growing confidence in the crypto market, including expectations of the U.S. Federal Reserve cutting interest rates in 2024 and optimism about the eventual approval of a Bitcoin ETF, which could increase the price of the cryptocurrency even more. Bullish analysts have predicted that a Bitcoin ETF could attract retail and traditional investors, bringing new capital into the crypto space. The enthusiasm has also spread to other cryptocurrencies. Robinhood was well positioned to capitalize on the increasing crypto hype, as it was revealed that the company had a Bitcoin wallet worth $3 billion, making it the third largest Bitcoin holder behind crypto exchanges Binance and Bitfinex, which holds $6.4 billion and $4.3 billion worth of tokens on single wallets, respectively. This news, combined with the increased crypto trading on the Robinhood platform, caused the stock to rise 26% at the end of November, outpacing Bitcoin's 18% increase. Aside from crypto, Robinhood had another exciting catalyst that possibly contributed to the stock's growth. The company announced that it would launch in the UK in early 2024. British investors can select from 6,000 US stocks and trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This marks Robinhood's third attempt at entering the UK market. It previously tried in 2019 and saw 300,000 people signing up for its waiting list. Still, the company canceled the expansion plans, citing soaring demand in the US during the COVID-19 pandemic as interest in retail investment surged drastically. Then, in 2022, Robinhood tried to acquire the British crypto trading app Ziglo. Still, the deal faltered, and Robinhood was forced to write off the value of its investment, recording a $12 million impairment charge on the failed transaction. Still, CEO Vlad Tenev said that he's confident in the platform and its ability to serve customers in the UK. Additionally, he said that he aspires for Robinhood to become one of the largest employers in England. Robinhood was previously criticized for gamifying investing, which some say leads to impulsive trading decisions and overtrading. For example, just a few days ago, the stock trading app agreed to pay $7.5 million to Massachusetts to settle a case from 2020 accusing the platform of using gamification strategies to attract and manipulate customers. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority especially warned against the risks of the gamification of investments. Still, Robinhood isn't too worried about that, as it's launching with a license from the FCA. It has also faced criticism for its payment for order flow business model, where the company sends its order flow to a market maker to execute trades and earns a small fee in return. Critics have argued that this process creates a conflict of interest for the broker, which may focus on maximizing profits rather than giving customers the best prices. In the UK, payment for order flow is banned, so that Robinhood won't launch it there. Instead, the firm expects to make money from other lines of business, including securities lending, margin lending, interest on uninvested cash, and its premium Robinhood Gold subscription service. Additionally, market activity has caused investors to anticipate huge moves for the Robinhood stock. For instance, Bitcoin bull and CEO of ARK Invest Cathie Wood has recently sold 10,218 Coinbase shares worth $1.4 million. Some of her other funds followed suit, such as ARK Innovation ETF and ARK FinTech Innovation, which sold 7,248 and 2,970 Coinbase shares and stocks, respectively. These sales come as Coinbase stock price closed 5.48% higher at $141.09 in early December, after hitting another high of $146.30. The price went up by 16% in a week and 63% in a month. As Cathie Wood's funds sold Coinbase shares, they also bought Robinhood shares. ARK FinTech Innovation purchased 14,702 Robinhood shares as the price jumped 15% in a week. This wasn't ARK's first time investing in Robinhood. It bought 1.1 million shares in November, just one day after Robinhood published its earnings and saw the stock dip 15%. So, should you follow ARK's lead and invest in Robinhood stock? One of the risks Robinhood will have to face moving forward is the possibility of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates in 2024. This is likely to happen and would hurt Robinhood by decreasing the company's interest income. However, investors probably shouldn't worry about that too much. Interest rate cuts go both ways. They can also increase trading volume by boosting buying power. Another risk to keep in mind is that the company has been excessively offering incentives to bring deposits in. For example, it's currently offering a 1% bonus on all new accounts transferred into Robinhood via ACAT, and worst yet, from time to time, the company has offered even more aggressive bonuses to bring IRA plans in. This could hurt its profitability in the long term. But here too, maybe we should relax. Robinhood has always been profit-oriented, and so far it's been successful in implementing its profitability plans. Looking at its Q3 2020 report, we see that the deposit growth of $4.0 billion is in %18 year-over-year increase. Revenue has continued to grow as well, soaring %29 from its Q3 2022 value to $457 million. This is on top of the addition of 100,000 new gold users, as opposed to 50,000 in Q2 and 40,000 in Q1. Setting that aside, multiple other factors could also drive the stock up in the future. The boost in the crypto market could benefit Robinhood if the company manages to increase its crypto trading volumes, since cryptocurrencies account for less than 5% of the company's total revenues. Along with that, Robinhood is expanding into other financial services to increase its total addressable market by offering a new gold subscription and some retirement solutions, and it is also coming up with its own credit card next year. Finally, there's a growth opportunity for the company with international expansion, starting with its 2024 UK launch. Robinhood's waiting list for British people opened on December 7, and it started asking users to share a referral link to move them up the queue to accelerate traction. Even though international expansion would mean higher expenses and investments towards the move, Robinhood will seemingly be fine with nearly $5.5 billion in cash and investments recorded at the end of September. Robinhood's stock saw an impressive increase because of a big uptick in crypto trading, news of expansion into the UK, and investments from Cathie Wood's ARK. The company is moving to expand its customer base and adding new financial services to diversify its revenues, which could lead to future growth. However, its equity trading activity is somewhat flat, which is causing investors to take a wait-and-see approach with Hood stock. Well, that is everything for now. What do you think? Will Robinhood be a success in the UK? And will it be able to use the crypto surge to its advantage? Please let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't, please subscribe and leave a like for this video. Your support helps us continue our work. Thanks again for your support, and I will see you in the next one.